Hi there, my name is Justin Brock and I'm a strategist here at Part and Sum. Today I'm going to show you a little trick in Facebook ads on how to discover or confirm who's viewing your ads and overall who's attracted to your brand. Let's take a look. So if we go into Facebook ads, we can scroll over to the breakdown tab and then filter by age and gender. What this does is it shows us by age and gender, of course, who's engaging with our ads across our campaigns, ad sets, and ads. When we look at the campaign level, this can be very interesting. If you have your campaign structured by level of the funnel, you'll be able to see who is engaging with your ads and by the level of the funnel. In this example, we can see that at this level of the funnel, the primary viewer is a woman between the ages of 18 to 44, with the ages of 25 to 34 making up the largest segment of that. When going through and exploring other levels of the funnel, you should ask yourself, do these metrics change? Do we see a split in behavior at the top of the funnel versus the bottom of the funnel? Wouldn't it be interesting if at the top of the funnel, 18 to 44-year-old women drove the most engagement, but then this flipped at the bottom of the funnel? What would that say about your product? And what would that say about your brand? This filter can help you identify that. Where this gets really interesting is when you move to the ad tab. Here, we'll be able to see who the ad was served to and then engaged with on the creative level. For this particular ad, it's the same demographic of customers who we saw at the campaign level. Now, where this tool gets really powerful is when you compare ads against one another. For example, let's say our primary demographic is a woman between the ages of 18 and 44, as we see in the example here. But what if it's a holiday and I really want to push gift giving for my ad creative? Wouldn't it be interesting if the demographic that primarily engaged with the gifting ad creative was a male between the ages of 18 to 44? This will let us see if our creative was successful and who else we can tap into outside of the primary brand demographic. This was just a little tip on how to analyze a section of your audience demographics in Facebook ads. To find out more interesting tips and tricks, head over to partandsum.com and follow us on social media linked in the description below. I'll see you next time.